Tired of fumbling with your password every time you want to check your NatWest balance? Let's get you set up with the convenience of Face ID. First, locate the NatWest app on your phone's home screen and tap to open it. You may be prompted to log in using your usual method, your customer number, password, or fingerprint if you already have that enabled. Go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon, often found in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it. In the menu, scroll down until you find Settings or Security. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it will be something similar. Tap on it. Now, look for an option related to Face ID, Biometric Login, or Touch ID. This is where you'll manage your biometric authentication. You should see a toggle switch next to the Face ID option. If it's grayed out or switched to the off position, tap it to enable Face ID. The app will likely ask you to confirm that you want to enable Face ID. This is a security measure. Tap Confirm or OK to proceed. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the Face ID setup. You might need to scan your face if it's the first time you're enabling this. Once it's done, you're all set. Next time you log in, the app will automatically prompt you to use Face ID for quick and secure access to your account. Enjoy.